How to fix invited friends not showing in the list on Hamster Combat. So if you want to fix the invited friends not showing in the list of Hamster Combat, then what you need to do is first open up your Telegram. Once you open up your Telegram, now you just need to simply go to the Hamster Combat page and then go with play, which is on the bottom left, and you'll be taken to the Hamster Combat, and here you will have your Hamster Combat, right? So you can simply go with the friends option, which is on the bottom, tap on friends and then tap on invite a friend, and you'll be able to invite your friends, right? So if the invite friends option is not showing, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go back and you need to remove that from your background. Remove your Telegram from your background and then again reload your page. Once you've reloaded, now you can again go with the Hamster Combat and then go with play, which is on the bottom left, and again reload your page. Once you've reloaded, now your problem might be fixed. But that doesn't fix your problem. Then you just need to simply go with the friends option again and then go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and here you will have an option of reload page. You can simply tap on reload page, and once you've reloaded your page, now your problem might be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix invited friends not showing in the list of Hamster Combat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.